Hi viewers, my name is Dr. Suman Saraf. I am an autism expert. From past 2 decades, I am working in this field because my son Madhav was having autism spectrum disorder symptoms. That is why I came in this field to support him. I stay in Hyderabad and we are running two centers, Suman Autism Center in Kavariguda and Shekpet, and we run a foundation named Madhav Autism Foundation. We are also running a special school for the children with autism, the Turtle Play School. So while this autism is coming, there is a vast query in this. Nobody is able to tell fully that what is the main reason, but maybe some reasons are there which are common in most of the parents. For example, the mother was under stress during pregnancy, and also there was a nutritional deficiency, especially there was a huge difference of lack of vitamin B12 and vitamin D in most of the mothers during pregnancy. So I'll request that the mother who is pregnant, she should have good nutrition, good food, and a lot of care should be taken of the mother so that it shouldn't be under stress, whether it is a stress of finance or work stress or any sort of stress or household stress or anything. She should be happy always. Second thing, she should go in the sunlight and sit for sometimes daily. And when the child is born, immediately after his birth, they should keep the child in the sunlight so that no jaundice should come to the child. And a lot of floor time and tummy time should be given to the child so that his physical growth will enhance, his core muscles should be becoming very strong. And please parents, don't give any cell phone to your child while eating. This is the most disastrous things which you are giving to the child. Make sure you interact with them, you give your plenty of time, especially the mothers, also the father, the whole family. I will request the parents that be with your in-laws, be with the grandparents, keep your children with the grandparents so that they will have a playful time with the old age people, and they have since a lot of experience how to rear the child. So they are the biggest assets for your child. So please try to keep them in within the family, a joint family. That will be the best for your kid. If both parents are working, work in such a way that one time the father is available, one time the mother is available, so that the child should get proper nourishment, proper care by the parents. The second thing which I will say, that autism is not a disease, it's a neurodevelopmental disorder. It is, I'll say that it is a man-made disorder most of the time. Why? Because we have seen it reversing when the parents come to us and we work with the child. Definitely there is a huge changes in the child, and we can reverse autism if they come early to us and the parents follow certain things which we tell them, along with the therapies, especially behavior modification, occupational therapy, speech therapy, sensory integration, autism movement therapy, sound healing. So many things we do at our center, and it definitely changes a lot of therapies, including food, and also we work on the detox so that with the detox the children get better. And we have to heal the gut healing is a very important role. It plays a very important role in treating with children with autism. Also mitochondrial dysfunctioning, we have to work on all these things. We have to follow some natural rhythms also. And the children with autism, their symptoms, you have to know that they don't make eye contact with you when you are trying to interact with them. They are unable to speak age appropriately. Some are unable to speak for several years. They don't sit at one place, they keep on moving from here and there, and when you call them they won't respond. They are in their own world, they want to play alone, they don't connect with the children. And when you go to their home or they come to your home, they won't look at people. What they will do, they will look at some things which they are interested in. Suppose a car, they are fascinated with the cars and the wheels of the car, and many moving things also they like it. and most of the children, they love to be on the mobile cell phones or watch TV for long hours. So please avoid this. While eating, never give them cell phones, because the food is not going to digest it properly and the child will get overwhelmed from after using more and more days. So try to keep your child healthy and take care of him properly. Give you plenty of time, play with them in the nature, in the sunlight, in the on the grass and sand. Take them to the parks. Give your quality time. Love your child, never beat them. Try to understand why they are doing. And the most important thing, most of the children are severely constipated. So we have to work on this. As the constipation come down, definitely you will see a lot of changes in the child. All over the world, even from Switzerland, America, Australia, UK, Saudi, Jeddah, even from Bangladesh, Pakistan, and all the rural belts of Telangana, Hyderabad, Andhra, Bihar, Odisha, Bengal, from Kolkata, from Bangalore. So many parents come to Hyderabad, they stay nearby to our center, take our therapies, and we also train the parents. If they want, we train the parents, because see, the child will come to us for 1-2 hours, but the child will stay with the parents for long hours. So if the parents are trained, definitely they can do wonders. And I swear you, I can tell you that if really parents will work with us, there will be a huge changes in the child. Yes, along with the autism, they can have another issues also, like seizures or epilepsy. So for that, they have to go to a neurologist, take advice from them, because medicines are also at that time very important for them. And one more thing, that sir, 1 minute, stop it.
Please, sir.
We have many success stories. Like recently, one child, he came from Gujarat, I think 3 years back. So he was not even in class 2, and we made him like read, and came from Gujarat. After training him, he was very violent. He used to beat the mother also, not listening to us, and very hyperactive, not able to speak properly. But after some time, like they stayed here in Hyderabad for 1.5 years, and after training, he became very good. I can say 80 to 85% he was better. Then they went back to Gujarat, and recently the mother called me, and very happily she was telling he passed his 10th board.
Africa.
And from Africa, the child who came, Sai Srujan, and I will say that he stayed for 1 year near my center, and after that he was able to speak. Before he was non-verbal, very much anxiety, and not able to speak, not able to give eye contact, not able to sit at one place. Later on, all these things were vanished. I can say the very less symptoms were remaining. So they went back, and he is doing good. And recently, one of my patient, he started working, like 1 year back. He got a job in a medical shop, and recently he got married. And one more girl who came to us, she also recently got married, and she started doing parlor work. So yes, it took a lot of effort from our side and from the parents. It's not easy, but yes, these children can do wonders definitely, if on proper time, proper therapies are given, proper advices are given. And don't think that they can't overcome this problem. Maybe 5-10% can be left, that we also have some traits of autism if we see properly to ourselves. And one more thing, that don't keep them alone, try to interact with them. Mobile or cell phones are not a good thing. Don't give them. It's not a toy, it's just for personal use. So never try to give all these things. Try to give your quality time. And there are many more cases who have recovered. They are going to normal schools. Even from our school, the Turtle Play School, last year also 8 children got admission in normal school. This year also 4-5 went to normal schools. So it is possible. The right training at the right time should be very much needed for them, and early identification. So I'll tell all the parents, if your child after 1.5 years or before 1.5 years, they are not speaking, they are not following commands, they are not sitting at one place, they are running here and there, not able to connect with you, try to bring them. We will definitely help you out. If you are away from Hyderabad, Then also on online we will give you therapies. We'll train the parents, not the child, and the parents has to work with the child. This is possible. So don't lose hope and try to connect with us. Definitely we will be of great help for you.
Ma'am, why are you choosing this field? Are you suffering with this autism?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah, actually my son, when he was 9 months old, he was diagnosed with autism, severe autism and epilepsy, and it was a big challenge for us because that time there was very rarely anybody was knowing this word autism. It was called mentally retarded, so it was very tough for us. I was not knowing that what to do. When I used to make him do brushing, he was not knowing what is brush. He was not able to do brush also. I used to sing brush, brush, brush your teeth, brush it every day. Like this, he started doing babbling, ba, 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 like this. Slowly, slowly working on him. I used to monitor him that why he is getting hyper. One day, after giving him tomato soup, he became very hyper. Started beating his sister. And then I stopped giving him. After 1 month again, when I gave him tomato soup, I saw the same behavior in him. Then I stopped tomatoes. Like this, no sugars to him, no sweet things for them, no wheat products, no milk products. This should be avoided. So work on these things and give a lot of water. Make it them and completely make them sleep early and wake them early. Wake them up early because it's very very important. If not, the child will have more gut issues. Waking up late is very dangerous for them. So follow the natural rhythms. Just watch. When the sun rises, before that we should rise. When the sun sets, after that we have to sleep. Night is not meant for waking up and morning is not meant for sleeping. So please follow all these things. What your elders used to do. They used to wake up early, do puja, do everything. They used to put water on the sun. So make your child also learn all these things, natural things and spiritual things, so that they will be connected with the nature. So when my son was suffering with this problem, from my childhood, I was thinking that I have taken birth to do something extraordinary or something different in my life. And one day, just while sleeping, I dreamt that I have to support these children also. Maybe because of this, I got a child with autism, and I started studying. I did physiotherapy course, special education, behavior modification, vocational training, sibling training, then brain gym. I became a yoga therapist. I am a clinical psychologist. So many more small and big things, big courses I have done, and many more studies I have done. I've done a lot of research on these things, why this is happening, which food is damaging them. So many things I learned. So after learning these things, I started helping parents, and from so many years I'm working in this field, and we have served more than 13,000 cases till now. More than that, because I don't have a proper data, but in my cell phones there are more than 13,000 contacts of the parents, so I can say that I have seen more than that. So this is one thing, and from my deep heart I want to support the parents. You know why? Because it's not a one day problem. If they are untreated, definitely the whole life will go of the parents. One of my patients father had died before. In the COVID time, the mother died and the child was with the mother, and 2 days he didn't get food, so he threw all the household articles. He bited the mother's dead body, and he was screaming and shouting in the house. Then the neighbors heard, they came and opened the door. Then they knew that this has happened. So it's very difficult. What we don't know what will happen to them after us. So before they come to a certain stage, in their childhood only, we should do everything for them, because there is treatment for them if they are identified early, and we have to give efforts. Without efforts, nothing can be done. So don't worry, we are there to serve you, we are there to support you, and in each and every means we are there with the parents. Nasal therapy, which is completely without any side effects, and there's a huge difference in the children from the first month when we start using it. And it's it works on the PEMF, and literally great changes have been noticed by the parents on the gut dysbiosis, mitochondrial dysfunctioning, speech, hyperactivity, attention, and all these things, even eye contact. So using all the things together, definitely it makes a very big sense, very much difference in the children. If you want to connect with us, we are always there to support you. You can see our website, Suman Autism Center or Madhav Autism Foundation also. If you want to connect, you can WhatsApp us on 96407 and we are always there to serve you. Don't worry about the money. And our address is Suman Autism Center, Kawadiguda, Padmasali Colony, and another center is in Sheikhpet, OU Colony, by the name Suman Autism Center only. You can search on Google, you will get all the information. Thank you so much.